Starting to sell on Amazon takes time and research, but this video will help you to avoid the most common trap, jumping into the product research without understanding the basics and burning cash on mistakes that could be prevented. In this video, we are giving you a 7-day framework that takes you from complete beginner to launching your first optimized Amazon product listing. You will learn how data dive works, how to find profitable products, master keyword research, and build listings that actually are ready to compete with your competitors. And if you want to try data dive yourself, you will find the link and 20% discount code OrangeKlik below in the description.
Starting Amazon FBA but don't know where to begin? In this video, I'll walk you through a simple, practical 7-day roadmap using Data Dive, the exact tools you'll use to research, validate, and optimize your first product, which is a reusable silicone food storage bags. By day 7, you'll have a validated product idea and a first optimized listing ready to launch. I'm Nikki from OrangeKlik. Let's dive in. Here's a quick roadmap preview of what we're going to do today. On day 1 to 2, we will learn the Data Dive layout and set up your master keyword list and niche tracker. On day 3 and 4, you will use product scorecard and deep dive to research and validate your winning idea. As for the day 5 and 6, you will be able to build a strong master keyword list, run PPC keywords research, and prepare PPC campaigns for launch. And for day 7, we can use AI product brief and AI listing builder plus rank radar to finalize and optimize your listing for conversions and profitability. Why did we choose this product? The reusable silicone bags are lightweight, low cost to manufacture, easy to ship, have eco-friendly demand, and allow differentiation with packaging sizes and bundle offers, ideal for your first FBA product. Day 1 is all about setting up. Find Data Dive, log in, and get comfortable. We'll focus on 2 core things today, master keyword list and niche tracker. You have to open Data Dive and go to master keyword lists. This is where you'll collect and organize every keyword you find for this product idea. Create a new project called silicone bags with 6 back. And next, open niche tracker and add the product idea as a tracked niche. Name it Eco Kitchen Silicone Bags and add ASINs you find on Amazon to begin tracking rank movement and competitors. Master Keyword List gives you a single place to gather every keyword, non-negotiable for listing optimization and PPC. Niche Tracker helps you monitor competitor rank changes and category trends so you spot seasonality or new trend entrants early. Now, as for day 2, we begin building your seed keyword set and get a quick competitor snapshot. In Master Keyword List, search Amazon for reusable silicone bags, silicone food bags, reusable storage bags, and copy the top keywords into the list. Aim for 50 to 100 seed phrases with short and long tail. Open product scorecard for 3 to 5 competitors. Run scorecard checks to collect their price, number of reviews, star rating, obvious listing gaps like bad images, missing bullet points, and approximate weight dimensions. Add notes in your Data Dive project. Typical price range, average reviews, shipping weights. These details feed later the profit calculation. Seed keywords are the raw material for both SEO and PPC. Product scorecard helps you spot realistic competition levels. A few high review heavy hitters are okay if you can differentiate with packaging, bundle sizes, or lower price. Day 3 is validation day. We'll use product scorecard and deep dive to answer. Is this product actually worth selling? Pick the top 3 seller ASINs and run product scorecard for each. Focus on demand signals like sales velocity if available, average rating, review growth, and listing quality. Run deep dive on the most promising ASIN. Deep dive pulls granular data, keyword visibility, price history, review timeline, and listing quality metrics. Use deep dive to estimate monthly sales velocity and to spot what customers complain about, like if the zipper durability is not so good or if the bag is leaking. Those are product improvements and opportunities. If deep dive shows steady demand and room for improvement, or common complaints, inconsistent sizing, poor images, that's a green flag. For beginners, this reduces guesswork. You're not launching blind. You're making demand with a measurable improvement. Day 4 is numbers and sourcing. We'll compute basic profitability and create an AI product brief to guide manufacturer and listing differentiation. Open profits in Data Dive or the profits module. Enter estimated landed cost per unit. For example, if the manufacturer gives you a cost of $1.60 and 40 cents for shipping to US, port via sea, or 50 cents per unit if FBA inbound, total of $2.50. Set an initial target sell price. For example, our selling price could be $14.99 retail, and the profits will show the expected margin after Amazon fees and FBA fees. If margins are thin or under 35, consider bundling 6-pack with a travel clip or private label features like different zip, higher quality silicone. Now create an AI product brief and include target keywords from day 1 to 3. Product pain points found in deep dive, like clicking edges, and differentiators to request from suppliers, like reinforced seal, measurement markers, and custom packaging. Profit shows whether the product is viable at your target price, and the AI product brief turns your research into a clear one-page specification for suppliers or for your manufacturer outreach. For beginners, that brief stops wasted time asking the wrong questions to factories. As for day 5, we shift from raw keywords to prioritize buyer intent keywords using master keyword list, plus the insights from deep dive. Open master keyword list, clean it, remove duplicates, branded keywords, and tag keywords by intent, by awareness, consideration, or purchase. Prioritize purchase intent keywords like silicone food storage bags leak-proof set or reusable freezer bags 6-pack. Next, use data from deep dive to find high-volume, low-competition, long-tail keywords and add intent scores and estimated search volume to each keyword. Export a shortlist with about top 20 primary keywords and 40 to 60 secondary keywords for bullets and backend search terms. Master keyword list becomes the blueprint for your title, bullets, backend keywords, and for PPC. Beginners who skip this step often end up ranking for low-quality keywords and wasting ad spend. Now, day 6 is all about PPC readiness. Use PPC keywords, PPC campaigns, and PPC campaigns for launch to plan your initial ad strategy. The first thing to do is to open PPC keywords in Data Dive and paste your top 20 primary and top 30 secondary keywords. That's 50 total. Let the tool suggest match types and bidding ideas. Second, create a launch plan in PPC campaigns to launch and allocate a launch budget, for example, $15 to $25 per day. Set up separate campaigns for sponsored products, auto, and manual exact, and plan negative keywords from competitor brand names. Lastly, create a sustained campaign in PPC campaigns for manual optimization after launch. Document initial bids and KPIs, ACOS target, click-through rate, and conversion rate expectations. Use this tool to avoid common beginner mistakes: overbidding on generic keywords or spreading budget too thin, and launch campaigns generate sales velocity and keyword data you'll use to optimize your listing and bids. DataDive's PPC tools save you time by organizing keywords into campaigns with data-backed starting bids. Day 7, we bring everything together. We have the AI product brief, an AI listing builder, and a rank radar. First, open AI product brief and review differentiators and put them into listing copy pain points, and solutions into benefit bullets. Open AI listing builder and paste top 3 primary keywords for the title and primary bullets. Choose the secondary keywords for bullets and backend. Use the builder to generate a title, 5 bullets, and an A+ product description. Next is export the listing draft into a Google Doc or Seller Central draft, and use Rank Radar to input the ASIN and track the ranking for your target keywords once live. Run profits again with your final landed cost and projected launch price, and confirm your margin and break-even unit count. AI Listing Builder speeds up copywriting while ensuring top keywords are included naturally. Huge for beginners who aren't copywriters yet. Rank Radar gives you live feedback after launch, so you can see which keywords are responding to campaigns and listings changes. Finally, Profits Check prevents surprises. Now let's quickly stitch the example together with real-sounding inputs so you can see how it would look. From the title, we have the AI listing builder and plus the keywords. So we have the reusable silicone food storage bag, 6-pack, leak-proof freezer and microwave-safe, BPA-free, eco-reusable snack and sandwich bags. As for the bullet points, we have this leak-proof design with reinforced seal, swap single-use plastic with durable silicone that survive the freezer and dishwasher. Bullet 2 is the differentiator, which is that it includes measuring markers and travel clip. And the back-end keywords could be selected from the master keyword list, the reusable freezer bags, silicone food bags leak-proof, reusable sandwich bags, or silicone storage pouches. For the launch PPC plan, from PPC campaigns for launch, you can set an auto campaign with a budget of $15 per day and a manual exact of $10 per day, targeting the top 10 keywords with manual broad for long tail at $5 per day. Monitor click-through rate and adjust bids accordingly. On day 1 of launch, you will want to see impressions. Click-through rate above 0.5% for auto and an initial conversion rate that you can compare to top competitors. Use Rank Radar to track how quickly your keywords move up with ad spend and listing changes. Before we close, quickly, common mistakes and how DataDive stops them. Mistake number 1, launching without validated demand. DataDive's deep dive and product scorecard gives you demand signals. Another mistake could be random keywords and wasted PPC money. Master keyword list and PPC keywords organizes intent and prevents wasted bids. And another mistake could be poor supplier specs and returns. AI product brief makes your supplier ask exact product requirements. And for mistake number 4, no profit check. Profits calculates real margins early so you don't chase unprofitable SKUs. For beginners, DataDive turns guesswork into data-driven decisions, faster learning, lower cost mistakes, and a clear path to scale. There you have it. If you want to try DataDive, I've got a special discount for viewers, 20% off any monthly subscription plan. Use code OrangeClick at checkout. That code helps you test master keyword list, product scorecard, deep dive, AI product brief, AI listing builder, PPC keywords, and the rest of the tools I covered today. All with a meaningful discount so you can practice this 7-day roadmap without the full price sticker shock. Download the free checklist in the description that follows this 7-day plan, which I made a printable version for our steps, and apply OrangeClick when you try DataDive and start day 1 tonight. That's it. A practical 7-day plan to find and validate your first Amazon product, build a converting listing, and launch with data. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment below with the product you're thinking about. I'll pick a few to review in future videos. I'm Nikki from OrangeClick. Thanks for watching and good luck launching your first product.
I hope this video will give you understanding how you can start selling on Amazon by using DataDive and their database and knowledge. And if you want to try DataDive yourself, you'll find the link below in the description. And don't forget to use OrangeClick coupon code to get 20% discount on your monthly plan. And if you like our videos, don't forget to hit like and hit subscribe. And if you have additional questions about the content you just watched, leave them in the comment section below. And now I recommend you to watch more videos on how to use DataDive to run your Amazon FBA business easier. So check this out.